I challenge you to a push-up competition, man. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15.
Right.
Make sure you don't see any boobs, man.
The only boobs we're going to see are yours.
How dare you! I'm wearing my support bra today.
Your spanks.
Thanks.
Your spanks. Sea urchins. And there'll be a lot of rubbish as well.
Do you want to know something crazy?
What?
Do you
Tell
know?
me. Share.
Okay.
Share.
Apparently, hedgehogs back in the day were named urchins. That's why sea urchins with the spikes, they were named sea urchins because there was urchins with a hedgehog, but they renamed them to hedgehogs.
Yeah, right. That's enough.
Ma, I've been doing push-ups every day. Can you tell?
Not really.
Come on, give it what you mean. I think I'm toning out a little bit. Why are you laughing?
That's the funniest thing I heard all day.
No.
I'm literally like peeing out of my anus. That was a mistake. Thanks, Dillstrom. I'm chugging so much water right now. I just shit myself. All right, tweet it at them.
Fizz, get up.
Oh shit.
Well,
It
we're
is
gonna
a
play.
Pickles Lava Dredger.
Yes!
Wait, is it actually? No.
Dude, he left without even saying bye. This dude.
Yeah, you piece of shit.
And he left the group. Oh, this scumbag.
Dang. And he just left the group.
Hey, bro.
Like, fuck y'all.
Well, he probably thought it was a temporary group.
He just left the group. Like, he's been doing that a lot this week.
Yeah, he left the Lean Boys too. You're toxic, Garrett.
Hey, you're the one that did it.
Who is the most toxic out of all of us?
Garrett.
Nah, Vinny, 100%.
Garrett is like laughy toxic.
Bro, don't get
He'll
fuck
like
you.
throw back.
Oh my god, Charles, rubbing her titties. Oh my god, you sick fuck.
That didn't sound like water. You okay? That didn't sound like you hit water. Did you make it? Woo! I can do this side. I got this.
Alright, good luck. Jump off the railing. Oh.
Oh, fuck, my back. Oh,
Can I
God.
get unbanned? I said
Oh,
something toxic and
I heard a little
smile.
bit, but, you know, we're cool. We're cool.
You didn't hit one.
Engagement. All right, be right back.
Yeah, alright,
Stop drinking.
You want to go on?
Yeah.
What?
Onsen would be cool, but it's not a need today.
So what do you need today?
I'm gonna go and play Apex Legends Season 3. Totally gonna play. I was gonna play this morning, but you distracted me.
What?
That's right. Your fault. Okay, come on. You gotta stop doing that. It's setting a bad precedence for the people. You're hitting all my big muscles. I've been going to the gym, Mama.
This is so cute.
That is very cute.
I want something hard, like chewy. What?
What do you mean?
I want a chewy thing.
Like sweet chewy or salty?
Just like like this.
Sweet or
Heavy and energy will be good. And maybe batteries. Okay, blue armor. I already have one. What? Shit, dude. God. Dude, that shit is so scary.
It's old, but she DM'd me like yesterday or something. Was it yesterday? Yeah, it was yesterday. She just said hi, smile, and I said, get your crazy Ashley Madison ass out of my DM. No, I didn't respond. Let's do LSF. Oh wait, no. Have you seen this? Probably not. I can't believe you're still here. Prolific, I'm glad to see you back in chat. I feel like I haven't seen your name in chat for a while, but I'm also blind. Okay, before we do anything today, I have something to talk about. You guys can probably guess by the title, and we've already talked about it before. You're a sub, you fucking stan. Because Bean's gonna be released. I don't really have anything in my hands, and she needed someone to do stuff with her, so that's why I have her. Five? What the heck? What is this? No. Ah. Ugh. So weird.
It's a pretty nice pool, hey? It's a really nice pool, so we can do like a pool stream. It's a pretty nice pool. So, no, I'm not gonna jump. You're crazy. I'm not gonna jump. I'm not gonna jump. There's a lot of boxes. Which one do I open? This one? Hey, you're gonna help me open? What do you guys think is in here? What is this? Okay, I need to... Okay, and this... I'm so zoomed in. There we go. And this is the chill house. The house where I'm staying. Yeah, I'm in the Netherlands. Okay, so this is the house where I'm staying. I'm doing a house tour, guys. So, I'm staying with this one, and this one. I don't want to say names because I don't know if they want names.
Let me in!
What the fuck? All right. Solid stuff.
Jesus Christ.
Stop it! Dude. Oh! No! Like if Arcade DM'd me right now and they said, hey, don't worry, server transfers are gonna happen in the future, I would probably use my pre-order bonus. But I don't want to use any of my bonuses because, like, what if this isn't my main character or anything? Like, I doubt it will be. It would be if there was transfers, but I just don't know if I want to play on the server. I don't know a single person who's playing on the server because it's brand. I'm not gonna lie, chat. Playing this game makes Apex look like 300 times better. Makes me really appreciate Apex more. So I'm kind of glad I'm playing.
Could be a team.